Holy smokes, we've got something good today. We've got the all-new reefsrc rock crawler XP10 Founders Edition. This is something they've designed in-house and got made, and now I've got one. If you haven't done so already, please like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. It's free. I won't even charge you. I won't even send you an invoice, and I will catch you on the other side. Where were you October 9th, 2025? Were you at Proline by the Fire? Did you see what was released? Well, anyway, thank you for joining Pioneers RC Garage today. We've got the all-new XP10 Founders Edition that reefsrc released at Proline by the Fire. If you were there, or if you were watching their YouTube channel, you got to see it. It's awesome. It looks great. Gold everywhere. Gold. It's just the whole theme was gold. As you can see, the XP10 on this shirt is gold. Yes. So we're going to unbox this bad boy and we're going to see what we got. So let me get my little knife here. Little knife. And we will crack this thing open. So let's start with this. So we're going to open it up here. And see if I don't cut myself first. All right, so let's get this thing open. All right, look at this. Look, oh my God. Freaking cardboard everywhere. Cardboard up the wazoo. All right, so we're going to take this thing. We're going to put it on the bench here. And we're going to. Okay, whoops. Okay, so now we're going to do this. Ooh, oh, look at that. It is bubble wrapped. So you know it's good. It's bubble wrapped. Yes. So let me find the how to open this thing up here. I don't want to rip everything apart. Okay, we're gonna look at this. Look. Oh my goodness. Whew. Bubble wrap everywhere. So I see the opening's on this side. I opened it the wrong side. I opened up that wrong side by an accident. And they got this thing well packaged, well taped. All right, so now let's pull this between our legs and let's see if we don't drop it first. All right, so now let's see here. We're gonna pull this bubble wrap off. Oh, look at that, bubble wrap. All right, well, first you have to admire the nameplate. Yes, we've got a gold nameplate. Look at that. XP10 Founders Edition 2025 10-070. That is the number on our Founders Edition. All right, look at this case. Oh my God, look at this case. You got a handle. You got all this stuff right here. Look. Oh my God, it's amazing. I mean, you could drop this thing off of a friggin' house or even a 5-story building, maybe a 30-story building, and your crawler will be protected because it is in this case. Oh my God, look at this. The quality, my goodness. Okay, so we're gonna put this thing down and we're gonna open this thing up. Oh, do you want to see it? Do you want to see it for the first time? Okay, let's open. Oh, wow. Let's just pull this up like this and we got packaging. So we're gonna open this little bag up here. So let me open this bag up and see what we got in this bag. All right, so let's dump this bag out. All right, so we've got well, let's just look. Okay, so this is for the body, for the windows. That's your mask. We've got some stickers. Ooh, look at that, stickers. And we got some, I don't know if they're instructions, but they're like blown out parts here, so you can look at your XP10 and see what part numbers you have. If you break one, you can get a part number and get it replaced from Reefs. Yeah, that's what we got to do when we break stuff. Get it replaced. And we've got a certificate here. Look at this certificate. Oh my God, look at this. says certificate authenticity. Oh, I can't even say it. Authenticity. Yeah. Congratulations on being a proud owner of the XP10 Founders Edition. Reefs, limited edition number 070 of 250. Plague. This is the Plague with the Plague body. And then you've got, oh my God, you got all kinds of, they're even giving you 20% to save on anything you buy from them for this rock crawler. Man, that is so awesome. They did a lot of good things on this. Man, I really, really like this. And my shirt even says, if you can see it, it says 01 of 250. But wait a minute. How come I got 70? This says 01. Well, they couldn't put our numbers on our shirts, so we had to deal with the 01. But we're 1 of 250. So that's a pretty good deal. All right. So let's look at this package a little bit further. Look at this. You can see the top of the body here. That's the Plague body. And this is wrapped in foam. So that's what I was saying. You could drop it off a 30-foot building and the case may crack, but your crawler will not break. And you'll be able to take that crawler out on the rocks right after. Yes. So we're going to take this out. And see, again, it's well packaged in there. You can see all that gold in there. Oh my God, look at that gold. Yes. So I'm going to pull this out and we're going to close the lid here. Oh my God, look. Oh my goodness gracious. They even put foams where the tires are going to go just to protect the wheel nuts and the threads there. Oh my goodness. Let's take those off. This is a portal rig. So we got portals in the front with brass. They gave you brass everything on this, which is the gold, right? And look at that. Isn't that, oh my God. You cannot believe it. You have to be in person to see this thing. This thing is got, I mean, you got a gold Fairlead for your, my goodness. And these are aluminum axles, front and rear portals. Man, look at this. Carbon fiber chassis. Oh, look at this. I mean, let's just take this cab off real quick. Try not to lose the nut there, Henry. You're nutty enough as it is. Don't lose a nut. So we're going to take this body off. You just lift up and pull ahead. And look at the gold transmission. Oh, look at that gold transmission. And oh my, on the rail here, you've got your number. Yes. XP10F, which is F for Founders Edition. And then it's got 2025 10-070. That is awesome. And if I remember correctly, I think they did it on the transmission too. Look at this. Look at the transmission. Ooh, isn't that awesome? Oh my God. It says XP10 Founders Edition 2025 10-070. Man, and oh my God, they give you a gold, holy cow, they give you a, oh my God, a gold servo horn. That's awesome. It's got the, it says it's the reefsrc. This is the Pro HD servo horn. Man, holy cow. Man, the shocks, they got their 90 millimeter shocks on here. These are their shocks they released earlier in 2025, 2024. Anyway, doesn't matter when they released them. They're on here. These look awesome. Yes, they're not oil filled, so you'll have to oil fill them. But you've got your electronics trays here, like I was showing, and this is just you got steel drive shafts, front and rear. I mean, this is just the quality. Yes, look at this. The quality in this thing. You just gotta be near it just to feel the excitement of this rock crawler. Yes. Well, stay tuned. We got more on this. We've got to put tires. We've got to put a motor in this thing. We got to put one of the Reef servos in it, and a Reef's couple of winches in this thing. I got a couple in mind. I do have some gold brass lying around for this, so we will see. Anyway, thank you for watching this little review here, this little unboxing. If you haven't done this already, please like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. It's free. I won't even charge you. I won't even send you an invoice. And I will catch you on the next one.